Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told that on line segment PS, PQ is equal to RS, and from that we have to find the length of the total line segment. So first let's get the length of the total in terms of x. So it's going to be this segment, which is x minus 1, plus the middle segment, so plus x, and then plus this last segment, so plus 3x minus 7. Combining like terms, you have 1x plus another x is 2x, plus 3 more is 5x, minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8. So now we just have to find x and we'll have our answer. So how do we find x? Well, we're told that PQ is equal to RS, so x minus 1, which is the length of PQ, is equal to 3x minus 7, which is the length of RS. So subtracting x from both sides leaves us with negative 1 is equal to 3x minus 1x is 2x minus 7. Add 7 to both sides. Negative 1 plus 7 is 6 is equal to 2x. Dividing both sides by 2, sort of getting in the way of this, but just keep it over here. Dividing both sides by 2 gives you x is equal to 6 over 2 is 3. So the length of PS is 5x minus 8. So that's 5, and then we know x is 3, so it's 5 times 3 minus 8. 5 times 3 is 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7, so the length of PS in total is 7. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.